This 5-minute solution will show you how to play music in Discord from mobile. To play music on Discord, first of all, you have to add a music bot. You can use this green bot, and it's really a very easy process to add this green bot to your Discord server. So once you added the green bot to your server, now you have to join a voice channel first. So join a voice channel, and now it's time to play a music. Simply type this command /play and tap on play. And in this query box, write the song name that you want to play. Tap on send. And that's it. As you can see, the song is playing now. So this is how we can play music in Discord. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5 Minute Solution. See you in the next video.